Welcome, here I've got CAT S62 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the picture settings. Here we can pick between rear picture size or front picture size, so we can adjust the size of the photo between front camera and back camera. Now for example, let me pick the rear picture size. When we tap on this we can manage the quality of the picture connected with the ratio. So we have two ratios, 4 and 3 or 16 and 9, and this is connected with different quality, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 12 megapixels to 4 and 3 and 8 megapixels to 16 and 9. And this is how to change this. The same thing happens in front picture size. When we tap on this we get the same ratios, but this is connected with the lower quality. And this is how to change this also. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.